Okay, so now we're going to do a t-test on the data that we gathered from uh, your analysis of the Family Guy video clip. So the next thing to do is to download the data as a CSV file. All right, I'm gonna put it on my desktop because then it's easy to find. So save. All right, and then we're gonna open up R, and we're gonna make a variable, and read it into CSV. And now we need the file path to get to our data file. I find the easiest way to do that is to drag the file onto the R window. There we go. All right, and then we're going to hit return. Just to make sure that we uploaded the data correctly, we're going to show this variable we just created, show fam. And sure enough, all of the data got uploaded to R. All right, now we're going to do a t-test, which will compare two groups of data to see if they are statistically different. All right, so t-test, t.test, and then we're going to compare, let's compare acts of verbal aggression between Peter and Lois. So we have to take acts of verbal aggression from Peter. So we're going to copy and paste, and then comma, and then we'll do the same thing for Lois. Verbal aggression for Lois. All right, so now we have the two categories that we wanted to compare, and we're going to hit return. And I think we just need a space here. Oh, we forgot to say where we're getting these objects from. So fam, we're getting them from the variable family, and then it's the column that we want to put there. And then here we're also getting it from fam. There. Aha! So we have our comparison of the verbal acts of aggression from Lois and Peter. Here we have the t-value, the degrees of freedom, and the p-value. The p-value is very, very high, so that tells us that it's not very likely that these two groups are different by chance. So in other words, they are not different. And if we look at the mean for Peter versus the mean for Lois, we can see that indeed these average values aren't very different.